My journey starts from a cone, which I got like a gift, henna cone like a gift. So I think I would never like decide by myself that I will be a henna artist. It was like not that. It just comes to my hand and it just fits very well. And I think I have some things which is needed for to improve. Like I have many patience, I have a passion, and then I just go into it like full head and not stopping it, and that take me to that level that I just started to paint not only to myself but for others, but everything like flow naturally. My friends started to ask me, then friends of my friends started to ask me, then someone from community started to asked me to do some classes, and I was like, I'm just few months in this, like what kind of classes, but everything just took me, and the speed was very fast to go to it, and I just folded. So from one gift to a profession, it just totally like that. Probably those who want to have Jagua, not henna, is probably because they want a real tattoo and they want to try how it looks like, because the look is very similar to how it will be with the real one after some time. And for some ones, they want a big expression, and I'm by myself, I think that Jagua is better to use then you want to reach a bigger expression of the design, but it needs to be not full tilt, so empty spaces, minimalism, but like the real ones, tattoos or some shadow techniques, Jagua fits perfectly. And I also know some artists who just make like insanely tattoos, like realistic style, and it's just mind-blowing how it is. You just need to be really soft with painting, but the results are just stunning. So they really love that look, to feel it like how to be with the real one, and it's a perfect thing to use. Yeah. I think I saw other artists like one by one just found it and they posted, and I think from that side, from Instagram and from the photos, because I really I was looking how to change that chemical ones like really much, and then heard that Jagua, and go to explore to Google to everywhere, then find some pages, main ones, and how it is about, and just try it, because it just needed to be changed. I cannot risk my clients to be applied with other ones, which I was also used before when I just started and didn't know also that they can be dangerous. So I just needed to change it very much. Yeah, of course. And all the time when I am going to some feasts and festivals, I am telling for everyone that be aware and always ask before apply that if it's dark, like in the moment when the dice comes out. If it is dark, then you need to go away, because it's not natural, it's not safe, and don't risk, because the pleasure can damage your skin, so it's totally not worth it. So natural things, henna and Jagua, they have the process, but everything will be perfect after 24 hours. So
yeah,
is that time that you need to wait is really worth for it. Yeah. The next live, you also need to let us to ask for you, because I think we also have questions like how you get there and what is behind, because it's really interesting to have you, like to know you and to know you more. So I think let's be ready for this as well. I will be waiting that. And very thanks Thanks that you invite me here. It's just pleasure to be and pleasure to use it. So I hope that these products will be known for as many people as it can, because it's just amazing.